So we've been shown a pattern for I to certain powers. To determine how to simplify I to certain powers, we use the form I to the n equals I to the fourth to the q times I to the r. And that's where Q stands for quotient and R stands for remainder. So we're looking at I to the 75th. So we want to write it in this form over here. So how do we do that? Well, I to the 75th, let's take 75 divided by 4. What does that give us? That gives us 18 with a remainder of 3. So in this case, Q, the quotient, equals 18. And the remainder, R, equals 3. So rewriting what we were given, I to the 75th in this form, is going to be I to the 4th to the 18th times I cubed. So now what does that tell us? What do we do with that? Well, when we have I to the 4th, that is going to be 1, because I squared is -1, and -1 times -1 equals 1. So this is going to be 1 to the 18th times I times I times I. And that just equals 1 times I squared times I. Well, that's 1 times -1 times I. And that just ends up being negative I. So again, the reason we use this form is because we know I to the 4th equals 1.